Okay, so I have my 4. I got one more to cut out right here, and I made a total of 5. And we'll go with 5. I don't know. We'll see what it looks like. See if I like it. You're cutting like this, you might want to keep some scrap cardboard underneath so you're not cutting your surface of your table or whatever you're cutting on. Okay, so here's my pieces. So what I'm going to do is, again, take and bend them real good here. Get them soft so they can go with the curve. Okay. Then a pair of scissors. I'm just going to try to even up the sides a little so they're pretty close to the same. And this is the depth that I'm talking about. I want this edge right there. So that's why I'm going to stack all these on top of it. No, maybe 3, maybe 4 will be what I need here. Yeah, I think 4 might be a little thicker than 3 of them I think is going to be the thickness that I'm looking for here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to basically glue it like plywood where it's just glued in layers. So I'll start with this first one. And I'm going to go pretty much with straight glue. I'm not going to water it down too much, if any. Might just dab my brush in just so it can move around. This is where you want to be generous right here with your glue. So between each layer, be generous. Want to make sure you get that on there. So I'll just continue building those up with my other 2 layers. That glue, a little water helps spread it around. Okay, start to stick. think I'm liking that right there. That's not too bad. It's giving me that depth right here, what I'm looking for. So now I'm going to get my paper bag, put a few strips. The strips will help hold it in place while it dries. I'm going to let it dry for a couple hours, and then I'll get back to it here in a minute. Okay, let's get this paper bag. A little glue, a little water this time. With my glue. Get it out a little with some water. Be generous here again. Just covered this glue. I'm not going to put a whole bunch of strips on it right now, just enough kind of hold it in place while it begins to dry. Okay. Both sides of the paper. So I'm going to take the paper. It's going to be almost like a piece of tape. Wrap it around. Have it tucked in right there where that edge is. Let's be generous again with this glue. Yeah, that will hold it in place. Make sure I'm using the rest of this glue here real quick. That's looking good. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. One more. Have just enough glue here. Remember, these strips right here just holding this in place. I will let it dry for a couple of hours. Then I'm going to come back and wrap some more of the paper around this area here. and it will just then become more and more secure, more rigid, more. Already liking this look of it. Not too much worried about the look. I think it's looking good. I want it to have a, I guess you could call it an authentic look with, you know, it's not a perfect carved African mask, but it's going to look good. I already know it's going to look good. That much I do know. Okay, we'll get back at it here in a minute.